Sue Johnson's Strategies and Exercises to Improve Relationships. Sue Johnson, the pioneer of emotionally focused therapy, EFT, developed numerous strategies and exercises aimed at strengthening emotional bonds and fostering secure attachment in relationships. Her methods are rooted in attachment theory and focus on creating emotional safety, fostering vulnerability, and addressing negative interaction cycles. Emotional accessibility and responsiveness. Emotional check-ins partners are encouraged to regularly check in with each other's emotional state. This involves asking open-ended questions like, "How are you feeling about us today?" Or, "Is there something you need from me right now?" The goal is to build awareness of each other's needs and provide reassurance. The ARE conversations. Dr. Johnson emphasizes that partners should strive to be accessible, responsive, and emotionally engaged, ARE. This involves actively listening, validating each other's feelings, and responding with empathy, recognizing and interrupting negative cycles. Identify the cycle. Couples are guided to recognize patterns of behavior that lead to conflict or disconnection. For example, one partner may pursue while the other withdraws, creating a cycle of frustration and avoidance. Name the emotions behind the cycle. Partners work to identify the underlying emotions driving the cycle, such as fear of rejection or feelings of inadequacy. Dr. Johnson teaches couples to express these emotions instead of acting them out through conflict. Reframe the problem as the cycle, not the partner. EFT reframes conflicts by focusing on the cycle of interaction rather than blaming one partner. This shifts the dynamic from adversarial to collaborative, encouraging couples to tackle the issue together. Strengthening emotional bonds. Hold Me Tight conversations. Based on her book, Hold Me Tight, Dr. Johnson outlines 7 conversations that foster deeper emotional connection. These include sharing fears, affirming love, and addressing past hurts in a safe and supportive environment. Expressing vulnerabilities. Partners are encouraged to share their deepest fears and insecurities with each other. Vulnerability fosters trust and intimacy, reinforcing the bond between partners. Affectionate touch and closeness. Physical closeness, such as holding hands, hugging, or cuddling, is used to reinforce emotional connection. Dr. Johnson emphasizes that affection creates a sense of safety and belonging. Repairing and rebuilding trust. Apology and forgiveness. Partners practice offering genuine apologies and granting forgiveness to heal past wounds. This process involves acknowledging the hurt, taking responsibility, and committing to change. Revisiting injuries together, EFT, encourages couples to revisit painful moments in their relationship to gain new understanding and healing. By addressing these events in a safe context, couples can reframe their narratives and move forward together. Building rituals of connection. Establishing daily or weekly rituals, such as morning check-ins or date nights, helps maintain emotional intimacy. These rituals create opportunities for meaningful connection and reinforce commitment. Exercises to enhance connection. Love maps. Exercise. Partners create a map of each other's inner world by sharing details about their dreams, fears, and preferences. This exercise deepens understanding and empathy. Emotion sharing. Each partner takes turns sharing their feelings about a specific topic while the other listens without interruption. This promotes active listening and emotional validation. The safe haven exercise. Partners identify ways they can serve as a safe haven for each other during times of stress or difficulty. This might include offering physical comfort, words of encouragement, or simply being present. Developing secure attachment. Reassurance practices. Partners provide verbal and nonverbal reassurance of their commitment and love. For example, leaving notes of appreciation or expressing gratitude during conversations. Emotionally focused presence. Dr. Johnson encourages couples to be fully present with each other, setting aside distractions and focusing on emotional connection. This presence reinforces the importance of the relationship. Future visioning together. Couples are guided to envision their future together, setting shared goals and dreams. This exercise reinforces a sense of partnership and mutual purpose. Summary of Sue Johnson's approach. Sue Johnson's strategies and exercises provide a comprehensive roadmap for improving relationships through emotional connection, secure attachment, and effective communication. Her work emphasizes the importance of vulnerability, empathy, and consistent effort in building lasting bonds. By addressing negative cycles, strengthening emotional bonds, and fostering trust, couples can create relationships that are both resilient and fulfilling.